Good morning, everyone. I'm at Tokyo Station. I'm heading to Kanazawa for a day trip on the Shinkansen. It takes 2.5 hours on the Hokuriku Shinkansen from Tokyo Station to Kanazawa. The first train from Tokyo Station is around 6 a.m., and the last one from Kanazawa is at 9 p.m. You can enjoy Kanazawa all day and still make it back to Tokyo the same day. Kanazawa was a major domain in the Edo period, with finances second only to the shogunate. The city still retains its historic charm since it was spared from air raids during the war. I've arrived at Kanazawa Station. Let's start exploring right away. Right in front of the station is the Suzumi Gate. It's designed to resemble the traditional drum used in Kanazawa's No Theater. The weather wasn't great today, but it's such a photogenic spot, so definitely check it out. First stop, Omicho Market. It's a historic spot that's been around for over 300 years. You'll find plenty of Kanazawa's famous seafood here. There are shops for tourists, but it's also a market for locals, so you'll find everyday items too. There are also plenty of restaurants inside the market. This place is famous for its seafood bowls. And sushi restaurants too. There are also izakaya-style spots. Today I'm having lunch at Sensai Anishi. The nodoguro hitsumabushi looks delicious. Slices of nodoguro sashimi are beautifully laid out over the rice. There's also sea urchin placed right in the center. Hitsumabushi is traditionally enjoyed by pouring dashi over the sashimi. The exact origins aren't clear, but it seems this way of eating has been around for over 100 years. Start by eating it with wasabi and soy sauce. For the second serving, try changing up the condiments. Finally, pour the dashi over it and enjoy it as ochazuke. Let's start with the first bowl. The sashimi is even topped with gold leaf. Since I love nodoguro, I also ordered some sushi. The skin is lightly seared, bringing out the rich flavor and fat of the nodoguro. Alright, let's dig in. For the second bowl, I'll add some sea urchin and extra condiments. The toasted sesame adds a nice aromatic touch. And finally, it's time for the dashi ochazuke. Pour the dashi over the rice and sashimi. That should be just right. Alright, let's enjoy. I'm totally stuffed now. Alright, let's move on to the next spot. I've arrived at the 21st Century Museum of Contemporary Art. The museum, designed by Sana, who won the Pritzker Prize, is a beautiful sight in itself. Every spot inside is photogenic. Reflecting the times, there are many art pieces using programming. This piece uses generative AI. Everyone is enjoying their own time. This museum is definitely one of my favorites in Japan. If you get the chance, definitely check it out. It's not a huge museum, so it's great to fit into your sightseeing plans. Next up is Kenrokuen Garden. Kenrokuen is a Japanese garden created about 350 years ago. It's now considered one of Japan's 3 great gardens, known for its cherry blossoms, plum trees, and autumn leaves. On the other side of the road is Kanazawa Castle. It's a large garden, about 12 hectares. It has a vibe that evokes Japan's wabi-sabi. It looks like there are places nearby where you can rent kimonos. Wearing a kimono while walking around would definitely enhance the experience. Around Kenrokuen, there are cafes and souvenir shops lined up. There are also traditional dining spots and stylish cafes. I'm heading into this cafe, Kenjo-te. The inside has a very relaxing atmosphere. There is painting of Kanazawa Castle on the wall. The view outside the window is also good. I ordered the gold leaf soft cream and cocoa. The soft cream is adorned with gold leaf. Kanazawa's gold leaf is famous and accounts for nearly 100% of domestic production. Gold leaf itself doesn't have a taste, but it makes for a pretty special experience. Thank you for the meal. Let's head to the next spot. I've arrived at the back streets of the city. It's the hidden gem Grillotska. There's a lot of delicious looking menu options. But today's goal is to try their famous Hanton Rice. It's a local Kanazawa dish. It comes with a side of soup. Fried tuna and shrimp are served on top of the omelette rice. The han in hen comes from Hungary, while ton is from the French word for tuna. However, the reasons why Hungary and French are connected to the name are not well understood today. It's quite filling and will definitely satisfy your hunger. It's currently 6 p.m. There's still time before the last Shinkansen, so I'll do some exploring. This area was once lined with samurai residences. People still live here, so I'll quietly take a look around. It started to rain a bit, but it actually adds to the atmosphere. It looks like there are some restaurants tucked away among the residences. Kaburaki Shoho is a Kutani ware kiln with a 200-year history. It's getting quite dark now. Since the Shinkansen departure time is approaching, let's head back to the station. So I've returned to the station, heading back to Tokyo now. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you on the next trip.